Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today I'm in Woodford County, Kentucky at the site of this old pony truss bridge. Stay tuned and we'll check it out. Hey everybody, Satoli here with History in Your Own Backyard. Today I'm in Woodford County, Kentucky, and I'm walking across the Paynes Mill Road bridge. The bridge itself, the original bridge, was built in 1900, but at some point in the past, the bridge was demolished, but the side panels were saved and attached to the new bridge below. Let me see if I can show it to you. You can see the concrete still has the original stone bridge abutments on both sides. I don't know when it was replaced. There, you got a better view of it here. The concrete is new, and then the steel on either side, that's from the original 1900 bridge. Here it is. 1994, right down there. So it was replaced in 94. At least that's what it says. Let me put a drone over the edge. See what it looks like underneath. By the way, that's South Elkhorn Creek. Runs all through Woodford County here.